Hey, what's up? It's Emily from Make Tech Work for You, and I guess this is a tech tip. It's really a product endorsement, and I don't get any benefit from it. I don't know anyone at this company. I don't receive any information. They don't know who I am, that's for sure. I don't receive anything from them, but I do receive a tremendous amount of joy and time back from the product, Atext. And I really believe in it, and there's two big reasons why I think everyone should have this product or one similar that does something similar. So let me show you what Atext is. It is a software that you download on your computer, and you can create things, and the things that you create are what they call snippets. And you can also use the word variable for them. And that's one of the big things why I think this is so useful. So let me show you. Often I misspell my name, E-M-I-L-Y. I will spell it when I'm typing fast, E-M-I-Y-L. Now, because I know this happens, I put in a snippet or variable so that anytime, anywhere on my computer, whether it's in this Google Doc or on an online form or anywhere else, when I type in the next letter L, I get that little and it changes it automatically for me. Many times I am trying to write out the long long URL for my website. And when I hit the last letter of my website, now you can define the name of this variable however you want. And I did my website. It could have been my site, just MTWFY, whatever I wanted it to be that would represent something else, representing something else. So why is this so important to me? And why do I think you need to have it? So two reasons. One, all of the little seconds that we save from not typing these things out, like not typing out my email or not typing out, let's see, what else could I type out? My scheduling link. I say time with me new. Actually, in fact, I often misspell this, so I have two snippets for this. I have a regularly spelled time with me new, and I also have one where I misspell it and I put the I before the W with me, and then when I hit the last W, it will time with me. Oh, maybe because I went in. Time with me new. There's that click. Okay. So all the little seconds I save by using this really add up. They add up in both actual time, and they take away from any frustration I have with having to have typos, typing out a long thing, always typing the same thing. They really, these little snippets very much give me time and joy. But what's really incredibly important and helpful about this is that it's the concept of variables. So the same way that when you see a short link, like a bit.ly, and then when you go to that link, you actually get a much larger link in your URL bar. Or, in our grade school math, when we did x plus y equals 10, x plus 5 equals 10. What is x? It's representing the number 5. It's standing in. And in this case with Atext, these variables are constant. Anytime I type in Emily spelled wrong, it will always give me the same output, Emily spelled right. But we can have dynamic variables that change what X means or what Emily means, depending on different factors, what day of the week it is, or whatever rules you've put in. This is a really foundational way that your computer systems work and your databases work and your CRMs and everything else. So being able to say, hey, I have a system that I use where I create the variables and use them and reference them is a huge step towards being a programmer. Okay, it's a maybe a leap, but it really helps with that foundational understanding and brings us closer to the code and the programming that is behind the scenes. So I highly endorse this product or something like it. And if you use it or something like it, or you try it out, I would love to hear your thoughts on it.